Today we're going to be discussing an upcoming Shiba Inu Coin announcement that could be coming soon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. We are going to be implementing a like goal of about 250 likes for this video. That is something very attainable and I know you guys can do it. Hit that like if you haven't already. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit just $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then invest into Shiba Inu Coin, because you can invest on into Shiba Inu Coin on Public now. So use that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So as we can see here on public.com, Shiba Inu Coin having an amazing day, up about 10%. I correctly predicted this in our video that came out yesterday, and I went over it in the live stream as well. If you guys want to watch either of those, you can check my predictions if you guys want. I know a lot of people say, oh, your predictions are always wrong. Go ahead and check those videos out yesterday. I correctly predicted this perfectly. But anyways, we're going to be going over Shiba Inu Coin today, and we're going to be talking about an upcoming announcement and overall just news that came out on Shiba Inu Coin. First, I do want to go over the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin though. Shiba Inu Coin currently on the edge of the activity rankings for StockTwits. However, the stock market was up a lot today, so it makes sense that there's a lot of stocks on here. We're only behind Bitcoin in terms of cryptocurrencies, which is also back above $50,000. So it makes sense that they are trending above us. Also, another thing about Shiba Inu Coin and their popularity, we can see here that Shib was the top of the weekly top search rankings from KuCoin. So Shib is above things such as Sand, such as Bitcoin, Mana, a lot of obviously metaverse things on here, above Cardano and Solana. So overall, Shiba Inu Coin, the #1 top search cryptocurrency on KuCoin. I love to see that. And here is the speculation that we're going to be talking about today on what this tweet could mean from Shib Token. So Shib Token at 10:48 a.m. this morning tweeted something with a video game controller followed by a bunch of spaces. So a lot of people have been saying that this is going to be the announcement for the name of the Shiba Inu games. This is just speculation, by the way. This isn't confirmed. Or it could be, you know, just some information on the Shiba Inu games as well. So we could definitely see a little pump here, depending on if we get this announcement soon. But not only that, not only did Shiba Inu Coin or Shib Token on Twitter, which is the official Twitter of Shiba Inu Coin, post about this, but so did Watcher Guru, and they also said video game times dog equals love. So does Watcher Guru know something that we don't about an announcement coming up for Shiba Inu Coin? I'm not sure. I don't think that they would just, you know, leave that open-ended, the Shib Token Twitter. I don't think they would leave that tweet so open-ended if they weren't going to be making an announcement soon. So I would be on the lookout on the Shib Token Twitter for the next couple of days to see if they're going to tweet any announcement about the Shiba Inu Coin games. That's the best thing that I can probably think that they will be doing with that tweet. But yeah, another thing coming from Watcher Guru, we can see that just in, an Ethereum whale purchased almost $2 million worth of Shib today. So I know we just got sold off $25 million of Shib the other day with that Bitmart hack. I think I said that right. But Ethereum whales don't care. They are still buying in. This was about 2.5 hours from the time that they posted this. And the tokens transferred were from one wallet to another wallet for 53 billion coins, worth about 1.9 or almost $2 million. Here's the actual Ethereum transaction hash. We can see it was successful 4.5 hours ago from the time I'm making this video. And the Ethereum price was about $4,300. So yeah, basically this is now worth $2 million. It has actually increased because obviously the price of Shiba Inu Coin is going up. This whale is probably extremely happy with his decision to buy this. But yeah, so not only do we have a possible announcement coming up, we have whales buying every single day. I feel like it's every single day that we see another whale buy for at least $1 million, sometimes in the $5 to $10 million range. So that is a good thing to see, especially with just, you know, making sure that we are following following what the whales are doing, they are still buying, so that means I'm still buying. But yeah, now let's go over the global crypto market. We can see that we're currently sitting at about 2.36 trillion. So I believe we were at about 2.3 trillion just a couple hours ago when I made my last video. So the fact that we're up about 5% increase over the last day is extremely good to see. One thing to check is that the last 7 days, we have seen the crypto market obviously fall on that whole crypto crash that we had. I made a really good video on that if you guys want to watch it, by the way. But we had that massive crash, and now we are starting to definitely come back up off those lows and now come back up to our highs that we were seeing before. The volume is extremely good for all of crypto right now, and the recovery is looking extremely good too. And when we take a look here, Dogecoin is currently sitting at about a $23 billion market cap. We're almost at a $21 billion market cap, about $3 billion behind Dogecoin. I really want to flip them this week. That would be the best Christmas present ever. Well, really the best Christmas present ever would be Shib deleting a zero, but I really do think that'll happen by New Year's Eve, by the way, guys. That's my price prediction if you guys didn't know already. But one thing that is definitely very good to see from Shiba Inu Coin is that the volume is starting to kick back up again. So in my last video I made, the volume was at about $2 billion. Now we see a 15% increase over the last day in volume to $2.447 billion of volume. This is obviously following that whale buying and then overall great buying pressure today. But we'll go over that in the technical analysis in just 1 second. Okay, and here we are on the technical analysis. We can see that in my video earlier today, I did chart out this bull flag that definitely broke out of. I made the video when it was about right here in the 3.5 area. So my price prediction worked out perfectly. I predicted that in the next couple of hours it would get to the 375 level, and it did that in the live stream. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss a live stream. Those live streams are really, really good and beneficial to both you guys, and then also it helps us out as well. But yeah, I charted this out and I figured that we get to about the 375 level. On the 1 minute time frame, someone did point out in our live stream actually that we were experiencing a cup and handle forming right here. This was the cup, this was the handle, and we saw this mid live stream. You guys can check it out if you want. Break out of the cup and handle, and ever since then we have been trending up on this bullish continuation pattern. But going into tomorrow, really I think we're going to see some resistance at about the 40 level, but I can definitely see us getting to the 40 level and adding about 5 to 6% more in gains by the time you're seeing this video tomorrow. I think we'll meet resistance here. If we can break above this resistance at the 40, I think we'll meet our next resistance at the 44, and then we could obviously see another 10 to 15% in gains come tomorrow. So really good things to see here. Bullish movement from Shiba Inu Coin. It's looking like our recovery is starting now, and we're starting that next big pump, so that is great to see. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on this video. That is huge for us. It really helps to grow the channel. We want to get to as many people as we can to make sure that everyone knows about the Shib movement and knows that obviously Shib is going to be going to the moon very, very, very soon. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys leave a like, and also comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu coin army is. We know it's extremely strong, but it also helps us reach those new investors that could help us to get to that next level in Shiba Inu Coin, getting to delete that zero someday. But yeah, make sure that we hit our like goal of 250 likes. That's going to be easy. I think we're going to blow that out of the park. And then also, if you haven't already, get your free stock with the first link in the description. When you deposit $1 on public, you're going to get up to $70 back. You can sell that, invest in the Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you got yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.